Some people ask why. We don't ask why. We just do it. Okay? Edible bacon straw. So we grab a little paper straw that we have there and we roll bacon around it. Okay? Look at that delicious bacon. Some people go, oh my God, that's gross. Did you have bacon this morning? Okay, well, this is how it started, just like that. And then we bake it. Okay? We pull our straw out. Can't use a plastic straw, guy. That's paper straw, okay? Pour in some vodka. Pour in some tomato juice. We're making a little Bloody Mary here. A little lemon juice. Okay? Come behind it with some tabasco. Follow the tabasco with worcestershire sauce. Try to pronounce that. Let's see it. Worcestershire. A bit of horseradish, a bit of salt and pepper. Back and forth, we're rolling it. Okay? I just shake it. Yes. All right, ice in the glass. Pour in our delicious Bloody Mary mix. You see the horseradish floating around in there. Put a little lemon on the side. Now we stick in our bacon straw. Put your lips on that bacon and enjoy. Stay tipsy.